How to replace a new alternator on a 2007 Cadillac CTS 2.8 liter. We're in the apartment, so this should be quick. So you take this off. I already did this, but get a 1/2 inch, put it right here and loosen up the tensioner like that, and you'll pull that belt off. You got 3 screws, so you got one right above it. I already took it out. Then your second one is underneath, and there's one right behind it I can show you in a second. All right, so that third one, here's the top bolt, we got that off. Here's the bottom bolt, and then right here, so here's the bottom one we got off. Right here is that third bolt in the back, and with this setup you're going to be able to get it. It's just a pain in the butt. You have to put your fingers on the bolt first and then lead this to it, and you have to push this back while you're undoing it. All right, then there's a plug on the back of the alternator that looks like this. I'm going to try to show you. So that plug is in there. You have to lift up on that back just like that right there. So I had this tool to get in there and push it and then pull up. And then there is a positive cable. If it's in the car like that, it's going to be right here on the side. So you're going to have to try to turn it like that or something. You have to get a long extension with a 10mm. Turn the alternator kind of like that sideways, and you'll peep through here. And you should see that little copper, it's right there. You should see it has a little boot on it. You have to take the boot off and you'll see that. Okay, so you really need one of these picks. That boot, so this is that boot I was talking about. You have to pull it up like this, and it doesn't want to come up. It just wants to keep flipping down. So you got to pull it with one of those. You've got to move these tubes a little bit. You don't have to take anything out though, but you just got to move stuff around while you try to wiggle this bad boy out. All right, so I just took it out. This is the angle you need, like this. So the heat shield's here, the pulley's here. That's the post or whatever, but you got to take it out like this. This is the only way I could figure out how to take it out. All right, so we're gonna put this guy in just like that again. Okay, so I push that tube away. You want the alternator laying sideways with that post up so that you can come in here and tighten this cable on top of it easily. So you go in there with your hand, you know, feed it through there, put it on there, hand tighten the bolt, and then come in and wrench down on it. And then don't forget to plug this connector into the back of it as well. And it'll fit in just like that. And then you bolt the 3 down. Okay, remember, the top bolt is the long bolt. Then the bottom back bolt is a long one. And the bottom front one closest to you is a shorter bolt. Don't forget to put that tensioner on, and you should be good to go.